Hi guys, my name is Johan from Restoration.bike, and in this video we're going to turn this into this. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, which I greatly appreciate. Relative to the bicycle itself, these 40-year-old wheels are in good condition. They have stainless steel Araya rims with stainless steel spokes and a slightly pitted chromed hubs. Considering the amount of crud on the hubs, they were probably not cleaned in decades. And what you will see me do in the video is disassemble the wheel, clean it up, and reassemble it. When I have a video with more detail for what you see, a link will appear to that video in the top right corner. So I will leave you now to enjoy the video itself. We'll talk again at the end. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. The rear wheel will prove to be somewhat more of a challenge, and I hope I can welcome you again for that one as well. Bye for now.